Hello, you are watching and walking and driving with us. This is a Smoky Mountain city. Beautiful city, small city, but clean city. And green city and mountains city and smoky city. Look at the sky, dark because foggy. But we are in little downtown in Smoky Mountain. Lot of fun here, lot of enjoyment here. आप हमारे साथ वीडियो देख करके एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. स्लो ड्राइविंग है क्योंकि ये डाउनटाउन का एरिया है. दिस इज डाउनटाउन एरिया. सी लेफ्ट साइड वॉल ग्रीन. शिकागो का वॉल ग्रीन कलर अलग होता है. हर स्टेट का अलग अलग कलर है. स्टारबक्स है लेफ्ट साइड पे. हम लोग यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी वगैरह पी लेते हैं आकर के. ये है खूबसूरत वेदर. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वेदर. टॉलरेबल वेदर. वार्मफुल. No need to wear sweaters or even no need to wear chaddi, short. Up to you. How do you like to live? See, people are on the street a lot. All people are tourists. See, this guy, this girl crossing street. See, at night, but she looks from Smoky Mountain. This is shopping mall. Left side, right side, fun place. Swimming, and lot of other enjoyment. Again, right side, circus, and other things. If you want to eat every kind of food, you can get from here. Respected friend, if you are coming here, then you must visit city and top of the mountain like we did. We are doing around 1500 top up of the hill. See, look at left side, right side, lot of restaurant, every kind of restaurant, especially European food. European food, there is no spicy. Masala, no spicy. But you will enjoy different food. Not necessary to eat masala every time. What do you think? This is a police car, right side. Police are here. They are looking for only criminal people or who is violating traffic law. Anyhow, see, people, all shopkeepers expect to get business and we expect to get fun. We are spending serving money, they are serving their service. How look beautiful everything. My friend, here is no breakdown, electricity breakdown, बिजली नहीं जाती. And ये माउंटेन के ऊपर शहर है, पहाड़ के ऊपर शहर है. आप अगर देखें बड़ा मज़ा आएगा. मौका निकाल कर आइए. आप देखिए बहुत खूबसूरत खूबसूरत 50 शहरें हैं अमेरिका में. एटलीस्ट मोर देन मगर 50. देखिए यहाँ पे आगे जो है सर्कस है, झूला है, ट्रॉली है, एंड अदर fun. Making right, then going straight. सी ये यहाँ से आकर के राइट देखिए लोग अपने अपने लाइनों पे खड़े हुए होते हैं कितनी लंबी लाइन है मगर दे आर नॉट मूविंग बिकॉज दे आर scaring to violate the law. So they like to stay their own lane. Cool driving, fun driving because people can walk from anywhere. So people are not in rush, not rushing, trying to see everywhere walk sign you can see, and slow traffic. Nope, not overflow, but right side gas station, petrol pump, cool, everything. See, again, right side, you can see if you want to buy your car from here, you can buy from anywhere in the world. See, right side, lot of fun. Left side, lot of fun. Yellow blinking light meaning you can go but slow. Look at straight black. White is black because of Smoky. See, top of the light, there is lighting. There is mountain. I'm going 1500 years, 1500 feet top of this city. We are going there. See, look at all the way sky, blinking light. Actually, not blinking light. People are living there, and I am going there too. Too much fun, mashallah. Excellent. See, no, not traffic, dark, but enjoyable driving. Any time, any kind of animals can run over here, run from this street, but careful driving. If you are new to this channel, please share and subscribe and comments. उम्मीद है कि अगर आप नए हैं चैनल पे तो आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए अच्छी लगे वीडियो तो और कमेंट्स करना हरगिज़ मत भूलिए अपना अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिए टेक केयर माय डियर ladies and gentlemen you must visit our states we have 50 states in America every state you can see beautiful and I will show you almost every state because I love to tour everywhere. If I have opportunity, I want to travel all over the world. See, coming here, we will eat something here, enjoy, and I hope